Hello, we're doing a mech battle today. So, just Striker Rika versus Jeff Bezos.
Alright.
Hold on. Wait, do we get any restrictions or anything for mentioning a guy's name?
No. Don't think so.
Okay. Please. Alright.
Alright, tell me when you're ready.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. I got my missiles. Get over here, boy. Let me, I need to stay on land. So, I'm not gonna use my jet yet.
Damn,
Dude,
I'm
my face
so
has corruption. Alright, yeah, come on. I'm ready.
Should gave myself toxic legs.
I'm ready, dude. Dude, this is
I'm
a
coming.
perfect pose for missiles.
I can't even see my graphics though. No.
Here, come here.
Oh, I see now. Oh,
That's a
line up with your
perfect pose
missiles.
for shooting missiles.
Alright, let's see how strong your missiles are.
Okay, fly up. Let me aim them at you. No, they can No, even though they're just one dynamite, it's like the thrusters fling people, so they get flung.
Alright.
Oh, dude, I can see your little laser beam thingy. Wait, is that a laser beam? You're not gonna fire your missiles at me?
And then if I don't fire it, I'm gonna get closer.
Get closer before you potentially die.
Yeah, I wanna kiss you goodbye.
Dude, then I can't shoot you if you're that. Okay, come on, dude. Alright, I'm losing
Oh,
patience.
I'm not high enough. I'm not high enough. I need to get hot. I need to get taller.
No, that's good enough. Dude, that's... Alright, just stay there. Stay there.
You sure? Alright.
Crap. I missed. I missed.
My turn. My turn. It's my turn.
No, please. Okay. Go
Wait,
ahead.
none of my keybinds work. I forgot.
Yeah, you forgot your keybinds. Alright. It's time to...
Oh, God. Are you just gonna rush me like that?
Alright, hold on. I'm getting on land so I could...
Didn't even see what happened.
Alright.
Why is more laggy than yours?
Alright, dude. Just get over here.
Alright. I'm trying. This might be slow.
Alright, hold on. Let me turn on my my thrusters in my arms so I could hit you. Dude, get over here.
I'm trying, but this mech is so laggy.
I hit you a little bit, right? But then if I didn't change some parts of my striker, I would have already got flung.
I'm like, what bits did you change?
I don't know. I don't think they affect the combat at all. But it affected.
This mech is so slow. Like, should I get rid of some hinges?
Yeah, sure. Hold on. I'm gonna fly up to you.
Boom.
You can manually fire missiles, right? You can like click on them.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm right in front of you.
Okay.
Come on.
Alright.
You scared? Huh?
Wait.
You scared? Wait. You scared?
No, nothing. Clap! I clicked the wrong thing. It's lagging. Oh,
yeah, see, I didn't even get flung. Normally I would have got flung. Dude, I did a lot of damage.
I just see flying parts everywhere. Oh, I see you.
I'm not in the head. See, the head moves. So, I can't be in there.
I don't believe nothing you say. I'm going for the head.
Okay. Just look inside. Dude, if you watch my reviews, you'd know I'm not in the head. I'm in the crotch. because
this
crotch
time?
is strong.
What,
Come on.
what if you're tricking me this time?
Dude, just go for the head and see for yourself.
Alright, bet.
Because I have no more dynamite except for my foot. Ow, my shoulder. I'm hitting you with my shoulder. Oh! Oh!
Team
Oh.
Rocket is blasting off again!
Wow, Striker is pretty strong.
I'm doing a backflip! Do a backflip!
Dude, you didn't even get to hit my head. You hit my shoulder.
I know!
Dude. You know, I had to get a soul. Oh, never mind. Come on, dude, get the hell down here, man. Come on.
Oh no.
Okay.
This mech is so laggy.
Me?
I'm gonna try to use a different mech next time, because this is like really laggy.
Here, just hit my head. Aren't you using a cake? How are you doing flips?
Oh, because I got mangled.
I'm using a cake too, and I'm not getting flung.
This
is officially one of my coolest mechs, in my opinion.
If my mech was in the prime, I would like.
Can you shoot your missiles at me? Here, hit my head! Hit my head! Hit my head! Hit my head! Hit my head!
Okay,
yeah,
I'm turning.
Your mace is gonna hit. Oh! What the heck?
Bang!
Hit my head! Come on, hit it!
Stabbing you.
Hit my head!
I am. You really aren't in it. Oh.
You scratched my chin. Oh! I'm not dead yet, but I'm getting mangled.
Same, I'm mangled. And I just lost my Miley Cyrus's balls.
Jeff Bezos. Everybody. Alright, what am I doing?
Oh, I have nunchucks.
What am I doing? Dude, can you load in a mech and just kill me?
Alright, fine. I'll load in.
My head.
Alright, get one EG down.
Just use something fast to load. You can't drag on too long. Okay, we're gonna cut.
Down.
Hold on. Okay. I'm recording. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
I'm gonna aim for the ding dong. Your head's twisted.
Just aim for the head. I'm in there. I'm in the head, dude. Didn't you say that I was in? Ow! I kicked your.
Aha, that was all a part of my plan.
No, I have dynamite on my feet.
I had a decoy. A tank. I'm gonna aim for your crotch.
Okay.
Oh.
You're just gonna. I'm covering my crotch. You can't touch my crotch. Not at the age of consent yet. I'm not at the age of consent yet, dude.
I'm 18.
Well, I'm not 18.
Let me see them.
Okay, come on, man. Get over here, bot. Get over here, bot. Come on, man. This is
just so laggy when I get close to you.
I know. I don't know why. This is such a slow video. People are gonna move to Fusion. Whatever that guy. Does he still do ripoffs? Or does official Fusion still do ripoffs?
Probably. I don't watch it.
Yeah, I don't watch it anymore. He made a video on Build a Boat. Is like literally broken.
But it's not really talk about them, cause. Alright.
Come on, dude. Come on.
I'm gonna hug it. I'm gonna touch it.
Get over here.
I'm gonna do a backflip. Are you better on land than water?
Oh, okay. You finally defeated me by hitting my crotch. I'm in the chest, dude.
Oh, I thought you were in the pee-pee.
What? No, I literally.
That's why I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna shove my blade up it.
Okay, no, you can't. Hold on. Just keep your adventure. I did the Gypsy Adventure Mech Gang tutorial, so I hope I don't get any. I don't have that much mechs, so I'm just.
Hey,
doing?
I want to make a destroyer now.
A destroyer? Like the ship or an Atlas destroyer?
The ship.
Why? Why?
No, I want to have like. I want to put
Why?
on it.
Why?
Let's go.
Let's go. Ebola. Let's go. Apola. I like it to say Ebola.
Wow. Look who's here after 10,000 spams.
10,000 what?
Why do you take so long to reply?
Me?
Yeah, we're already recording the video without you.
What video?
Oh, hi, Tin. Oh, no, I said Lil, not Tin.
Oh, that was 10? I thought that was Lil.
No, it's Tin. Oh, my
I
God.
thought that was Lil.
Is that how you're going to treat Lil?
Oh, no.
Dude, stop sliding. You're not on the side. Come on. Dude. Dude, stop. You're going to kick me.
I'm the best drifter.
Yeah, I actually really like the Mech Gang's gypsy design, but I think the leg just looks, leg just looks kind of,
Can I join you guys?
Yeah.
It sounds like Lil.
Alright, no, he doesn't, and let's go.
Pussycat.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ebola, let's go.
What?
Can't
I didn't even get hit. Wait, I didn't get hit. I'm perfectly fine. What the hell?
Can't touch this down now.
Guys, I want to hack everything.
Alright.
Tell me his password. I'm gonna change his name. I don't like his name.
Alright, I'm using my Gundam then.
I only have like 4 mechs and 2 of them are not even done.
I don't have any mechs. I mean, I do have mechs. I have mechs that are kind of cool, I would say.
I'm gonna make a block.
Headless Exia, it is. Dude, you ready to face Headless Exia? I totally forgot about my Gundams until Jeff Bezos. Okay. 10, dude, load in your mechs. Let's.
Ebola, let's go. I'm drifting again. I'm drifting.
You included this.
Color, add me back. You unfriended me.
I didn't know I unfriended you.
I'm about to booty you. I'm about to booty slap you. Bang.
Tyler, I wanna go on. Wait, what? Why is this? Whoa! Jeff Bezos, give me some money.
Oh.
Let's go. Tyler.
I anchored you.
The fuck is that?
I'm gonna turn this dynamite invisible since you can turn pretty much anything invisible.
I'm kind of sitting down. I'm sitting down. And
hey, let's go.
No, not that to me.
What the hell?
Oh, I didn't know that was gonna activate your Gundam.
What the? Bro,
My bad.
Cheating. You're cheating.
My
I
bad.
hate you now. You're my ultimate net. God damn it. Okay. Oops.
What?
I accidentally swear. Okay. This is so hard getting into the.
Can I boost your gypsy?
Alright.
Tony, can you put me in an inappropriate position? Tina, what are you doing?
What? Dude! What the hell? You mangled my Exia and then you took away my arms and legs?
Oh! How did that one get shot? Shit!
Oh! Dude, that's cool. That's cool looking at it. Oh my god, dude, that looks so cool.
That's so sick.
I know, that looks so sick. Dude, look at that. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, I know, I'm so cool. I'm so cool.
No, I'm already recording.
I'm doing the splits. He's alive!
I am.
Good clip.
And you're about to die. And so am I.
I don't have any TNT.
Oh shit, he's abusing.
Okay, that's right. You get the hell out of here. All right. Wait, where's Double O Gundam?
Oh,
He's
I
gone.
kind of kicked him to space. I kicked him to space.
Oh, you did? What?
Uh-huh.
Guys, I'm gonna go to red team and attack.
If I can't have you can't have a Gundam. I'm gonna knock all your Gundams to space.
I don't even
I'm
have
gonna
it.
backhand you back one more time.
We'll be right back.
What the hell is
Alright,
that?
10, you have to edit this, okay? 10, you gotta edit this all together, okay? And don't make me refilm anything. You always do that. Alright, everybody! This is Gundam Exia, a headless Gundam Exia. I never did a showcase on him. Or her. But I never did a showcase on it.
Yeah!
Well, hey, what the hell? Oh my god.
Did you see me?
I have a really cool idea.
Dude, I wasn't even ready.
I have a really cool idea.
Did you see me?
I can still save myself. I can still save myself. Oh my.
Oh my god, my arm is so broken.
Do you see me? I'm Jeff Bezos.
We hired Jeff Bezos to be in our video. Alright, dude, double O Gundam can still be used. Alright, I'm gonna go get into Double O Gundam.
Oh my god!
Look at him, he's rocking.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Double O Gundam. What happened to his legs? Oh my god.
I'm out of fucking... Oh shit, I'm out of candy.
Alright, now it's time to spam might.
I need to enter by his crotch. I must enter. Stumble, please don't be a... Yeah. Alright. Alright, everybody! Let's go!
What the fuck is that?
Double O Gundam!
Oh yeah! What the hell?
Oh my god! Double O Gundam!
What the hell? Come here! Die!
Dude, look at me!
What the hell do you cut my
Look
waist
at
off?
this goddamn monstrosity Double O Gundam.
You're about to kiss my booty.
Hey, dude, this is being recorded.
I'm cutting that out.
Dude, haters are gonna be like, oh my god, did he just mention eating booty like groceries?
Tyler. Oh, cotton camera, I'm recording, Tyler.
I know, I am too. So you can't, you can't pull that on me, okay? That does not work on me today.
Oh, I know my skirt's just gonna fall off.
Fuck.
A bad word.
I know, but it's 10. What do you expect?
Yeah.
He's 10, man.
Fuck you.
He's freaking 10.
What do you want?
He does what he wants. Because if you fight back, he will kill you. Alright, dude. My crappy Destiny Gundam.
Lil? Wait, Lil's here.
Yeah, he is.
See you so long just to reply.
Hello, Lil. Very, very nice to see. No, he can't hear us, dude. Oh, he is here.
Again.
Yeah.
Well.
My keybinds are gone. Alright, everybody. Come here. Come here, dude. Come here. Aren't you scared? You scared, huh?
Ah! I'm stuck to the road. Oh my god, I have to reload.
Oh my god, look at that. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. I got this long stick. I can poke you with it. 10, get into your damn mech. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Yes, that is right. That's what you're supposed to.
You got my mind. I think about you all the time. You my blood.
What? Where's my? Where's my...
Bro.
I can barely fly. Oh, Croc. Okay, we need... Alright, Croc versus this really bad Gundam.
Croc vs
Yeah,
all.
Croc versus all. You have to edit this, okay, Tim?
Okay.
Because I am out of space.
Tyler, you go first. I'm zooming in on you, man. Tyler, come on.
Dude, he's not even
Oh,
done
yeah,
loading and I don't have anything to...
And I got turned! I got turned! I'm gonna crash it!
Spider, calm down. Oh my god. Dude,
I can't
it's
turn!
okay.
I can't turn!
I know! We all... Dude, calm!
Rescue it!
Okay, the first step to...
Oh, I dodged him.
You dodged him.
What?
I guess you didn't need to do all that screaming. Okay. Dude, Tim, I'm gonna need you to attach a jetpack or something to me, because I'm going away.
Bro. No. Andre,
This is so embarrassing, you guys.
I'm stuck. You turned the ISO on. I'm stuck.
Oh, yeah. I'm still here.
I can't do nothing. I'm stuck.
This is the boringest but stupidest mech battle ever.
Oh.
Damn, I really just killed a man.
Yeah, you did. You just killed a man. And your man was your dad. Damn right, it was your dad. How about we do my yogurt Mark II?
Oh, I didn't even notice Salad Master was here.
Huh?
Salad Master's here.
Salamander's here.
Yeah, Salad Master's here.
Yo, Salamander's here.
I forgot Salad Master. Hello, Salad Master. How you doing? Hello, how you doing?
Oh yeah, if you guys can't hear me or who I'm talking to my friends. Okay,
No,
I'm not insane. I'm not insane. I'm not talking to myself.
Hear you, you idiot. You're recording on a headphone.
I'm not.
You're recording on your laptop?
Yeah.
Say it.
Yeah, but like, okay. Oh yeah, Lil's new croc, he calls it Salamander, but we call him Salad Master.
We call it Salamander.
Oh yeah, you know axolots are a real thing.
You mean axolotl?
Yeah, like in Minecraft. It's actually a real thing.
What?
Yogurt Mark 1 teams up with Yogurt Mark 2 to take down Salad Master.
Oh.
You know what? I know how to beat him. I got a strategy.
Oh, it is a thing.
You don't?
Does anyone have a knife?
No.
It's so freaking ugly. We started the battle. Let's run go.
What is this?
Oh my god, no.
What is this?
Oh, shit.
Bro, what the hell, dude? That's cringe. I'm not gonna retract anything. I'm just gonna go full on it. Come on, man! Salad Master, get your ass over here, boy. Ohana means family! Ohana means family! Ohana. Oh, come on, you can do this! Yogurt MG Mark II! I'm still here! I'm still here, mother...
Oh, go.
Go!
I'm
not even getting flung. Oh, never mind, I got flung. Oh, man. Okay, Tin, you gotta edit all these videos together. Okay.
It's fine, it will take 3 days.
Okay,
Damn.
I think that's good enough for the mech battle. We'll just continue mech battling, but without recording, you guys. We'll give out some more content later.
What? We're ending the video.